today we are going to be doing a revamp on my car. So this is a long awaited video, so I will be showing y'all the process on how I'm getting my car back right. I have to repaint the inside, and I plan to get some new seat covers. If not new seat covers, then I'm going to do my seat covers on my own, and I'm gonna do pretty much everything in my car. So I'm gonna take y'all along on this little process and this little series. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this, please stay tuned to watch, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Right now, this is how my car is looking. I believe that is from water, stuff like that probably, but yeah, I'm gonna have to sand all that down, this, and then my doors as well. Never mind that down there, a little storage unit. But for the most part, this is what it's looking like. So let's go ahead and sand this down and then get to the spray painting. All right, y'all, so the first thing we're gonna have to do is pop all of these little compartments out. And once we get done with that, then we're gonna take them outside and we're gonna sand them up. Beautiful. This is like my favorite color and the favorite tint of pink. So let's go ahead and pop these back in. Alright, y'all, so I'm showing y'all the before. That is the before. So yeah, this is the end of part one. Part two, we're going to be doing this right here. Basically, the parts that I wasn't able to take out of my car, we're going to be doing those parts and finishing these right here. But the main parts are pretty much done, and I really like the turnout. But if you're interested in seeing how I do part two, please stay tuned to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on part two. Stay tuned to watch.
Meditating. Meditating,